Hello everyone. So today we are going to understand the first problem of our this in within a minute. So what is the problem statement that we are given here? So we have been given from the lead code the gameplay analysis. So how we are doing? We have given the columns. So column is containing a table is having a column that is given as player ID, device, event, game. So what we need to find? We need to find, and the table is given like that. So player ID is having some values. Player ID is unique for everyone. So that means the player one is a unique individual. Player one is having this much entries, something like that. Okay, and what we need to find? We need to find the login first login date. Okay, so that means unique value we need to find. Okay, so how we are going to approach this problem? So this is very basic group by function, group by method usage, we can say. So how we are going to apply? So first what we do, we will bucketize the player ID. So we will understand that how we are bucketizing it. We will make a bucket of player. So for example, player one is having how much event date. For example, how many times he have logged in. So for example, player ID have logged in on 2016, 1st of March 2016, 2nd of March, 2nd of May 2016. So we need to find the minimum of these value. That will give the first login. Okay. So how we are going to do this? So first we will define a data frame and we will say that table name activity, and in activity what we are going to do, we are group by, and to which we are grouping by, we are grouping by to play, yeah, score id. So we are grouping by to player id, and then what we are doing, we are uh, event underscore, yeah, I'm just telling. So in on event date we are applying a method called minimum. So it will tell that which is the minimum value, and then what we are doing, we are just resetting the index, reset underscore index. That is it. So this is the first part of it. Now what we are going to do, we have to change the name also, otherwise it will give the error. So we are using the rename function, uh, rename, rename function, and inside that rename function, which column? COL. So what are those columns that are going to rename? So we are going to rename the first function, we call it as event underscore date, and what is other, we will say this is as first underscore login. So this is the first login, and then what we are going to do, we are doing nothing. We will just write in place underscore in place equals true. So why we are writing in place equals to true? To make that change inside the data frame. Otherwise, it won't happen in the data frame. Okay. Now we just need to return it. Return. Okay. Return tf. Let's run this command. Let's see is there any error. Goodbye. 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 What is the error? Rename. Rename is not defined. Okay, yes. So because we have not defined that where we have to apply rename. Okay, so in the data frame we are applying it, so we need to define the data frame. Apply. Okay, there is error again. Exception. You need to return a pandas data frame instead of this. So what I have data. Just a minute. I think I missed something. Yeah, so I have changed the values. Actually, what we are doing here is we are changing the event date and first login. So we need to make sure that we are writing the spelling everything same. Otherwise, it won't happen. So rest everything is same. Okay, so yeah, we will run it, and it will again give an error because here we are changed. We have to change this also. Okay, now it should give the proper result. Yes, so it is accepted. Thank you so much for being here till now. Let's meet in the next video of this.